morning, students. I will take your GK, Moral Science, SUPW and Geography. So today, according to your timetable, your GK turn is there. Going to take the class of GK. So for GK, wherever it is required, I will read from the book, or if it is required only to give the answers, I will prepare a PDF of the in which I will mention the answers. You just copy it, fill it in your book and start learning. So here today going to start the first chapter. You all take out your book and open page number 5. Your first chapter is World of Animals and Plants. Here in this chapter it is given that the different animals, the name and the picture of different animals are given, and later after that it is also described that whether its gender, whether it is male or female. Then here it is given that male and female, what is the male of that animal and which is called as the female of that animal, as well as what their baby is called and to which group of animals they belong. So if we see that many of the animals are given, it covers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pages are there. If I am going to read all the pages, it will become little boring for you. So better you read every day, you start learning only 5, or skip a day and learn only first 5, then next 5, after the next 5. So in this way you can learn one by one all. Otherwise it is very difficult if you start learning together all. Here giving you an example that the name of the animal is alligator. Then male alligator is called as bull, whereas the female alligator is called as cow. And the baby of alligator is called as hatchling, and it belongs to the group of animal that congregation pod. Pod means here of young. When they are young, they are called as pod. Next is ape. The male one is called as male ape and female is called as the female ape. Then their baby is called as baby ape and they belongs to the shiverness. Next is badger. The male badger is called as boar, whereas female badger is called as sow, and their baby is called as kit or cub. Next, they belong to the kit. Next is bear. Male bear is called as boar, whereas female bear is called as sow, same as badger, and their baby is called as cub. Then they belong to the sleuth or sloth. Next is bee. Male bee is called as drone, female bee is called as queen worker, and their baby is called as larva. They belong to the hive, swarm, then pike, drift, grist. Not necessary to which group of animals they belong, you learn all. Just learn only one. Especially you learn the male, female and the baby, what they are called. So in order to this way you start learning, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each page 6 are given. Better you select one page in alternate days and start learning it. So soon you will learn very easily. Next chapter is the animal quiz. There are total on page number 12 and 13. The animal here, first question is, what is the young of a rabbit called? It is called as a kit. What is the middle part of an insect's body called? Thorax. What do you call the long winter sleep taken by some animals? It is called as hibernation. What is the collective noun for a group of badger? It is called as keet. Which land animal has the longest tail? It is the Asian elephant. What precious stones are found in oyster shells? The answer is pearl. Which is the only non-human creature to suffer with sunburn? It is the pig. What common disability do these birds have? Here the picture is given of 4 birds are there. None of them. 10th one, which continent is home to 9 of the world's 10 most venomous snake? It is, the options are South America, Asia, Australia, Africa. The answer is Australia. So till 10th I have just read the questions and tell the answer. In next class we'll cover this chapter. We'll give you the answers. Either I will write on the board or will make you available a PDF. Till then you will just start learning the first chapter from page number 5 to page number 11. In alternate days from one by one page and then learn it. Thank you.